Imagine this, you've secured an important meeting with a business partner. The date is set, the place agreed, but wait. What if the time doesn't work anymore? Or the customer suddenly has new requests? That's where confirming and rearranging appointments becomes crucial. A quick call a couple of days before can make all the difference. Confirm the topic, date, time, and place. Be prepared with alternative times if something changes, and always check for new requests. In today's lesson, we'll learn the language and strategies you need to confirm or smoothly rearrange your business appointments. Now it's time for the listening practice. Robbie Taylor is confirming his appointments for next week. Listen and decide to make any necessary changes to his diary.
Conversation 1.
Sabine Gerland.
Hello, Ms. Gerland. This is Robbie Taylor from Queensfield Limited. How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Very well. I'm just ringing to confirm our appointment for Tuesday afternoon at 3 p.m. to discuss our project management services for the Potsdam project.
Yes, that's right. I'm looking forward to it.
Can I just check the address? That's Quidderstrasse 14, isn't it?
No. Quidderstrasse 40.
Right, 40, okay. And could you spell Quidder for me?
Of course. That's Quidde. If you go to our website, you'll find full directions.
Right, thanks. So, I look forward to seeing you then.
Conversation 2.
Queensfield Limited, Robbie Taylor.
Oh, hi, this is Gerhard Schmidt calling from Hippax in Berlin.
Oh, hello, Mr. Schmidt. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm well, thanks.
Good. I'm afraid I have to cancel our meeting next Tuesday morning. I'm going to be away visiting one of our key customers.
No problem. Would Wednesday afternoon be more convenient?
Unfortunately not. One colleague I wanted to come to our meeting will be in Paris and I'll be in Munich.
I see. Well, would you like me to arrange a telephone conference instead?
That's a good idea. We're both free at 2 p.m. on Wednesday. Will you email me the details?
Of course. Actually, I wanted to call you anyway, Mr. Schmidt. Would you or your colleagues be interested in any of our other project management services, like logistics, for example?
Let's check the suggested answers. Let's move to the speaking practice. Complete the sentences with words from the box. Let's check the suggested answers. Let's move to the next speaking practice. Match the sentences on the left with those on the right that have a similar purpose. Follow the example. Let's check the suggested answers.
A. Could you just confirm where your offices are? B. Shall I organise a telephone conference? C. I'm just calling to check that it's still convenient for us to meet on Friday at 10 a.m. D. Can I interest you in any other services that we provide? E. That's fine. How about Friday morning instead?
Let's move to the next speaking practice. When your business partners contact you regarding an appointment, remember to be polite, flexible, and to respond to their needs. Your phone is ringing. Listen to 4 sentences from the same conversation. Play the audio CD to start. When you hear the beep, pause and respond, choosing a suitable answer.
1.
Hello, it's Jan Stevenson here. How are you?
2.
I'm very well, thank you, but I'm afraid I have to cancel our meeting next Tuesday.
3.
No, Wednesday isn't any good, I'm afraid, because my partner will be in Shanghai and she really needs to attend too.
4.
Yes, a telephone conference on Wednesday at 9 a.m. would be great.
Let's check the suggested answers. Let's move to the next speaking practice. You are the Customer Relations Manager for Marlowe Construction. Look at 2 of your diary entries for next week and then make the phone calls to confirm your appointments. Play the audio CD to start. When you hear the beep, pause and respond.
The call to Giovanni.
Giovanni Fabro? Hello, I'm well, thanks. And you? Yes, that's right. I'm looking forward to it. No, it's not Finden, it's Fenchurch Street. Of course. Fenchurch Street.
The call to Joy.
Hello, Joy Lee. Very well, thanks. How are you? I was going to call you today. I'm afraid I can't do Thursday. Yes, that'll be fine.
Let's check the suggested answers. Let's move to the next speaking practice. Think about your workplace. You have a meeting booked on Monday at 4 p.m. with Valerie August. Play the audio CD to start. When you hear the beep, pause and respond. Remember to be flexible, suggesting an alternative time or a telephone conference where appropriate. You start.
Hello, this is Valerie Auguste from Finch & Co. How are you? I'm fine. I'm afraid I have to cancel our meeting on Monday. No, I'm afraid I'm out of the country on business then. A telephone conference sounds like a great idea. Will you send me the details? Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you. Goodbye.
Let's check the suggested answers. Today, we explored how a simple confirmation call can strengthen your business relationships. Remember, always confirm the topic, date, time, and place. Stay flexible with alternative appointment times and check for any new requests from your customer. These small steps show professionalism, reliability, and respect for your partner's time. Use them, and you'll not only avoid confusion, you'll build stronger trust and smoother communication. That's the power of confirming and rearranging appointments in business English.